Skipper Rohit Sharma is in fact meeting Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. These are pictures in fact coming in of Rohit Sharma meeting Eknath Shinde after that grand victory last Saturday. This meeting with the Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra. They've also, in fact, Team India has also been felicitated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi already. They've had a meeting, and in these pictures, meeting with the Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra. Talking about this entire campaign, Rohit Sharma is in fact in a meeting with Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Remember, Mumbaikars of Team India are meeting the Chief Minister of Maharashtra after the spectacular win from last Saturday, where Team India took home the T20, won the T20 International and took home the World Cup. These are pictures from the Chief Minister's residence, where skipper Rohit Sharma is in a meeting with the Home Minister. They've been felicitated earlier by the Prime Minister as well. On the right side of your screen are pictures from the day of the celebration at the Wankhede Stadium, and now Mumbaikars from Team India meeting with Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Remember, the victory celebrations continue to be in full swing. Saurabh is in fact getting asked more details on that story. Saurabh, the Mumbaikars from Team India now in a meeting with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Saurabh.
CM Eknath Shinde's resident Varsha, and all the four players from Maharashtra, Team India's captain Rohit Sharma, all are present inside, and just after completing the work of Vidhan Bhavan, Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde has reached Varsha. There will be a felicitation ceremony inside. He will be speaking to all the players. Some conversation will be happening. We'll be getting the inside visuals as well. But most importantly, from here, all the four players, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma, Shivam Dube and Jaiswal, all along with Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde will be leaving from the resident Varsha. They'll be heading to Vidhan Bhavan. Let me tell you, there was some sort of controversy at the Vidhan Bhavan because the posters and the banners were put up that Team India players will be coming to Vidhan Bhavan, but none of the pictures of all the players were present. Later on, the pictures were removed, and they were replaced by another banner, and it had all the pictures of the Indian team players. So this controversy happened at the Vidhan Bhavan. Questions were raised by the opposition but why there are no pictures of the Indian cricket team players. So now the pictures and the banners are put up at the Vidhan Bhavan, but at the moment all the four players, including Rohit Sharma, Team India captain, they are right now at Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde's residence at Varsha. Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde have already arrived. They will be meeting him. There will be some sort of conversation, and after which, along with all the players, Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde will be heading to Vidhan Bhavan, where felicitation will be happening of all these players who are from Maharashtra.
It includes in fact players like Sharma on your screen, Surya Kumar Yadav, Shivam Dube and Yashasvi Jaiswal, isn't it, Saurabh?
Well, absolutely. It's Team India captain Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Shivam Dube and Yashasvi Jaiswal. All the four players from Maharashtra. And first of all, Surya Kumar Yadav and two others came in one car. Rohit Sharma came after that. They were waiting for Eknath Shinde, Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde to arrive because he was busy in the Vidhan Bhavan work. They already were at Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde's residence Varsha, where we are right now present. behind me you can see that how police bandobast is also made over here. So all the four players are right now inside. Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde has arrived. What we have been told that around 15 to 20 minutes the players will be meeting Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde over here. There will be some sort of conversation which will be happening, and also a felicitation will be done inside as well. After which, after 15 to 20 minutes from here, all the four players along with Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde will be heading to Vidhan Bhavan, where an official felicitation will be happening of all the players who represent Maharashtra.
Pictures, in fact, of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, meeting with the four Mumbaikars, essentially a part of Team India, essentially. Later on, in fact, Saurabh is telling us that there would be a formal felicitation ceremony. What is it that one can expect as far as them now moving to Vidhan Sabha is concerned, Saurabh?
So this is the official resident of Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde, and his entire family is inside. What we have seen in the past, that how Tilak is done, the Aarti is done, and then they also exchange sweets and they have some conversation inside the Varsha, and this has been done in the past as well. It has been an historic win for the Team India, and it was a thriller of a match in the final, and therefore then yesterday we saw how the grand welcoming happened of all the players in Mumbai, and today it is the felicitation will be done by the Maharashtra government.